Hi there, it's George here, and in today's video it is a bamboo video. Update on the bamboo that growing here direct in the garden which I planted in the past, and it's in winter now. Decided to make an update. Everything around it is dry, but the bamboo is green and another special video. So just let me show you. In my back is golden bamboo. It looks very beautiful, but first I will show you another bamboo which growing nearby small river, you know that. So just it's a beautiful day, and let me show you. Here we go. I don't know this variety of bamboo, but looks very happy. Now it have sunlight on the leaves because sun is over here, as you can see, and looks pretty. Any leaves, any shade not. In winter time the trees are with fall leaves, and the bamboo, as you can see how beautiful growing in winter time. Now it's like 0 degrees or -1, and it is okay for this variety. I bring it from Italy, rhizomes, and now looking beautiful. I can go close up and look at it. It is really nice. This cane was grow this season, like in springtime to June, I guess, and it's tall like me. Let me show you. As you can see, I guess next year, I mean this year already, it's in 2026, in springtime will grow new canes, new shoots, more tall like this one, and I will see. Look at it. Very beautiful, and a little bit of snow looks amazing. Let's focus a little bit here on the stems by the ground, as you can see. Like how this variety looking on the leaves. Let's move to next bamboo, which I have a same variety, which is here, and it's beautiful too. It's very tall, this one too. I mean this branch, which was grown in 2025, summer 2025. Look at it. Do you know what variety is this bamboo? Write in the comments. Or maybe next year will grow more thick, more big, and we will see what variety is it. But I am not sure. It's very tall, this, and beautiful. This was grown last year in 2024. It's kind of yellow. It's already kind of old branch, but anyway, look at it. And here, this bamboo, the same variety, smaller. On the ground here I put some grass and another vegetables, you know, to keep moist the soil, and in summertime, I mean. No vegetable, but any. And that bamboo is golden bamboo. Let me show you. I wait for more shoots next spring and we will see. On this golden bamboo, on me it seems like the shoots are like more thick, but it's not too, too high, As you can see, it's not very tall. That's it, but it's beautiful too. And the stems are like, all stems are yellow. This is Phyllostachys aurea. Well, next spring I guess will grow new canes. We'll see. Bonus, here I will have to show you the moss of bamboo which I grow indoor, and it is in this kind of pot, as you can see. And this time it was grow a lot of new shoots, and they are looking amazing and tall size, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and kind of. Anyway, so beautiful looks now, and I decorated it. Is my Christmas tree, like, as you can see, the shoots are not very tall right now, but we will wait for next season and we'll grow more thick shoots, and I have to repot in the bigger pot. And we will see. And the golden bamboo too I have here, which I propagated from one rhizome and cutting, and from that cutting started to grow a lot of leaves, as you can see. I didn't touch anything at the moment, only I will have to repot, very careful, but I will wait for new shoots and we'll see when they will grow. Looking forward. Well, I hope you enjoyed my bamboo tour in this garden. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, George was here.